John here with Vapor Honing Technologies again. Today we're going to be doing some more awesome work here on a Honda 305, and what we have here I think are some brackets, some foot peg brackets. These were sent in by a customer, and as you can tell, these are superbly clean from what you would normally see, and you may be able to notice too that these were previously dry blasted, and it is really hard to tell here in this picture, but these parts were blasted to smithereens, and it's one of the big problems I have with dry blasting, guys. And if you are restoring, rebuilding, repairing, whatever you're doing, if you want to preserve things on parts like this, you can't even see the letters anymore. This was an identifier on this piece. You can obviously see here it says Honda right there where my finger's at. But look how it's removed metal, it's removed material. This is something you would never see in the vapor blasting, wet blasting, vapor honing process, whatever you want to call this process. You would never see any significant removal of material, nor would you be able to see the very shiny particles in this metal. Those, ladies and gentlemen, are glass beads. For those of you who have seen this before, and I know you have, this piece will glisten in the sunlight. Glass beads are impregnated into this substrate. This is very rough, very dusty feeling, just like all sandblasting, glass beading. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you a difference. We're going to do one of these pieces, and then we're going to leave one untreated here. So one dry blast, one wet blast, and we're going to see the difference after. So let's get started. Okay guys, back after blasting here, and the one part here on the left was the part that was dry blasted. This one was also dry blasted, but we actually went and did the wet blast process over the top of that. We wanted to show you the surface finishing difference. It's really hard to see in the light here. I'm going to pull this a little bit closer. You can see the sheen on the right, how shiny and smooth compared to the left, which is dull and matte. Very porous, very non-porous here. We've actually sealed the surface. But again, foot brackets for a Honda motorcycle. Let's zoom in again, see if we can't get a good idea. There you go. Just shows you the finishing capabilities of this process. And again, we did change the surface roughness. We did smooth it out a bit compared to the dry. But this is an incredible process for something like this. And you're not going to damage the part of the piece. As you can see, the threads are in very well good condition. We didn't have to mask those, and they were perfectly fine throughout this process. This can save you a ton of time, which equals a ton of money. I don't care if you're doing this as a hobby or a business. It's going to make this more enjoyable for you. And if you have a question, if you have an application that you'd like to discuss with us, please give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks for watching.